What's going on YouTube? Brisk64 here, bringing you another main painting video. Now, we are doing the fabled Captain Shakk from PK's one-shots, played by the one and only busterbro. Now, this is the second intro, and this is actually taking place after the video's been finished for about a week, because my intelligent self didn't rewatch the footage to make sure that I actually had sound when I was introducing the figure. So in a couple seconds you'll see the figure gray and all the paint. Don't remember exactly what paint I used. I know I used Army Painter speed paints because it was a video that I needed to do quickly to get the figure ready for the one shot, which is live. You guys can go check that out now. It is PK's one shot, the fifth one shot on the channel. Go check out the other. Shakk also appeared in the one-shot Rough Seas Ahead, the third one-shot. Again, still played by Buster. Links to everything should be in the down there. But yeah, enough of this rambling, opening. Let's get to painting. Back, y'all, with everybody's favorite pirate captain, Shakk. He is complete, and he looks fantastic. Let me get him under the light and on camera so y'all can see him. There he is. Slaughter Red is quickly becoming my favorite speed paint. It gives a nice, dirty red look to the miniatures. It's funny, the palette bow did not do what I expected it to do, but I actually like it, especially after I added that brown wash, because it gives me a hand. So I think the Paladone is one of those colors that is really going to show through the color that you have behind it. So like these were primed with the Army Painter brush on primer, which is a lighter gray than what I normally use. Ergo, his pants are lighter.
than the skeletons I did with my normal spray primer. So I'm really interested to see what's going to happen when I use a white mod and how those look. As far as the sword goes, I darkened it with some brown wash, give it more of that tainted gold look. Same with the blade, his beard and his tusks. You can see that turned out very nice. The hat I like. Keeps that same kind of dirty look that his jacket has. I mean, he looks like a sea captain or a pirate captain, and I love it. So that is going to be it for this one. Hope y'all enjoyed. You guys can catch Buster and as Shakk in my one-shots, episode 3 and episode 5. But until then, I will catch y'all later. Peace!